Hi there, students. To entrust. This means to give somebody a duty or responsibility, to give them something that they are responsible for. So to entrust something to somebody. So I'm going swimming, so I'm going to entrust my car keys and my wallet to you. Okay? An object, entrust a noun to somebody. Yeah? Entrust something to somebody. And then you can use this also with a responsibility. To entrust somebody with the responsibility of doing something. I'm going to entrust you with organising the food for the party. I'm going to entrust you with picking up my children from school today because I've got to work late. Okay, so this is to make somebody responsible for something. I entrusted the watering of my plants to my neighbour while I was away. To entrust somebody with something, to give somebody a duty, a responsibility. So the boss entrusted me with opening the shop in the morning. Yeah, he entrusted me with the key. Okay, so it's something. He entrusted me to open the business in the morning. So notice there are various different ways of doing it. To entrust somebody with something, yeah, I was entrusted with the responsibility of doing this. To entrust something to somebody. They entrusted the feeding of the animals to me. And then to entrust somebody to do something. They entrusted me to do this on time. Okay, so to entrust, to give somebody a responsibility. Yeah, to trust something to somebody's care. Yeah, to give something over to somebody for their care, for their protection. Yeah. So would you entrust your darkest secrets to somebody that you didn't know? Yeah? No. Yeah? So you entrust something that you value to somebody that you trust. So it's to give custody of something to somebody you trust. I was very reluctant to entrust my children to anybody else's care. Yeah, because I was worried that no one else would be able to do it with the same level of responsibility. So to put something into somebody's care, when you go to hospital and you have an operation, you entrust your health or your life to the medical team. Yeah, you hand it over to them. Okay, so entrust. Yeah, I think you entrust something to a trustee. Yeah, to confer a trust on somebody. Yeah, to commission somebody to do something. Yeah, the Prime Minister is entrusted with the safety of the nation. Okay, so to entrust. You entrust something important to somebody, yeah? You make them responsible for looking after it, for dealing with it, yeah? I'm going to entrust the cooking to you. Okay, I'm going to entrust the setting up of the dining table to you. Yeah. Okay, so notice to entrust is to give somebody an order to do something, or an order or the responsibility of doing something, to assign the care of something to somebody, to turn over for safekeeping. Yeah, he entrusted his money to me while he was not available, while he was not there. You entrust someone with your lives, for example. Okay, so formality, to entrust. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. Informality, maybe even a 7, 6.5. Informally, I wouldn't use it. Informally, to give something to somebody to look after, to ask somebody to look after. Yeah. Can I entrust you with a secret? Can I trust you with this secret? Use it 6.5, semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, well, it comes clearly from the word to trust, yeah, which trust itself comes from Old Norse, traust, confidence, help, protection, from Proto-Germanic, trauster, yeah. Okay, Proto-Indo-European, deru, solid, hard, firm. Okay, so to trust, to entrust. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Trust. Well, entrust.